Alright, I'm back again. Next thing is my 6-inch riser. You could technically go flat if you wanted to have to dig this up every year to empty your filter out or have it pumped every 3 years. But I went with the 6-inch riser. This way it will stick out above my septic. So this is real simple. We're gonna line this up, and if you look right here, there's these screw holes. Okay, you just want to line those up to the holes that are here on your adapter. Okay, now I'm going to use some simple wood screws I got. You can use whatever you want. These are 2-inch galvanized fasteners. Next thing you're going to do, just line up the holes like I said with the top. You're just going to push gently down, go all the way around, and you'll hear it click into space, or into the spot rather. Alright, and now your adapter is on, and as you can see, it should stick up about 1 inch off my ground, which is what I want. You might want to go flat. They have the flat ones, which is just a lid. So the next step, we'll be screwing that down, and I'll show you that in just a moment.